Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your messenger. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your messenger app and then click on these three little lines on the upper left corner of your screen, and then click on settings button and then scroll down until you see account settings. So just go ahead and click account settings and then click personal information. And then here you want to click manage account, and then as you can see there's an deactivate option here, so you just want to click that, and then here you want to re-enter your password. Click continue. Then here you need to choose any of this. What is your reason why you want to deactivate your account? And then just click continue, and then here you want to scroll down, and here you can see a option where you on how much duration you want to reactivate your account. You can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, or don't reactivate automatically. And then click continue. And then here, before you deactivate, we want to give you more control over your Facebook experience. So you can just read that and then click deactivate my account. And that's how you deactivate your messenger account. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.